Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a button in HTML language. So let me open Sublime Text, and after that here you can see this is default HTML code. So now just here I can use button tag to add a simple button. So just here I can add button text. For example, this is a button. Then save it, and after that let me reload this file in the Chrome. So now here you can see this is a simple button. And how you can make it clickable, just I can go back, then here I can use anchor text is equal to, then inverted commas, and after that here I can add a link for a website. For example, I can copy a website link, this one, then I can add here, and after that just I can close, then here I can copy this one and add here, then close this tag. Okay guys, now here you can see this is a clickable button. So let me remove this one, and after that here I can change the text, visit W3 schools website, and now save it, and then reload this file. So if I click on this button, now here you can see it is redirected to this website. So now if you want to style this button to look it better, you need to add some internal CSS code in your HTML. So to add CSS, just you need to add a head tag above the body. So let me add here, and then close the head tag. After that now here I can add CSS text. So let me go back, and then I can copy this one. Here you can see opening and closing tag is style. Just I can add here, remove this space, then save it. So what it will do, here you can see a link, so it will mean anchor text, this one. So it will add some designs for this button. Let me go back in the Chrome, and after that load it. Alright, now here you can see it has added some styles on the button. So let me remove the button tag from here, then again save and go in the Chrome. Okay, alright, now it's looking better. Now click here. Alright, it's working fine. In this way you can easily add a button in HTML language, and you can use internal CSS in HTML language.